Normal industrial machine should be rolling to the front, like it should be going clockwise. So you make sure you notice that when you on it, it's going anti-clockwise. It's very dangerous. If your machine should be going anti-clockwise, now it's coming clockwise, you should know that something is cooking. So, but what happened is your machine is very fine. It's just a technical issue that you can easily fix yourself. You can easily fix it yourself. But how to fix it is the major issue there. Because sometimes you notice that I tell you, press this switch. After you press this switch, you notice the machine is not changing direction. Or what's wrong? So this is what I'm right here to address today. Now, this is 2 Lion. If you check my previous video on how to install industrial sewing machine, can you notice I made use of this machine. Now, let's do this very fast. The first is, let me plug this machine first. It's plugged to the wall and we are on it now. You can see the machine is giving us the sound. You can pay attention to it. You notice the sound now. So, if I pedal this machine, just pay attention to this. Pay attention to this cloth now. If I pedal, you can see the machine is going in the direction it should go. Right? It's going in the direction it should go. You see it? But now, there are sometimes it does not go this way. You have to adjust it. So let's go directly to that. Bring down the camera, please. Now, this switch, you see it? If this switch should come to this other direction, the machine will not work fine. But notice, sometimes you notice you plug machine and your machine is bringing out smoke. This is the issue. If this guy is in the middle, your machine will be indecisive of either to go front or to come back. And in that situation, definitely your machine will just have to stand still and it will get the motor hot, later it will go and burn the capacitor and later to burn the coil. So if that's the issue, make sure you attend to this. If you notice your machine is bringing out smoke, this is where the issue is. This guy is staying in the middle. He's staying in the middle. So now, when you bring this to the back, you want to change the speed, the direction of the motor. The first thing you do is, before you plug or you switch it on from the socket, make sure that you press this first and the machine is not rolling again. If the machine is not rolling again, then you are good to go. Now the machine is not rolling again. I've changed the direction. Let's see where our machine will roll to. So let's see. You can see now I'm expecting the machine to work fine as it was before. Let me just pedal it. You see, it's not picking it. Now it's on the other direction. This is normally it should be coming to this side. So if this is the issue you are facing, then pay close attention to this. While you are about to change that switch, the first you do is to switch the machine off first. Do you see it? Even if the machine is direct drive, before you go to P21, if it is direct drive, you go to P21, you swap it to either O1 or O2. If it is on O before, change it to O1. If it's on O1, change it to O2. So now, after you notice that the machine is going in the direction it should go, please pay close attention to this. First, check that your machine is not rolling again. And if you are in a hurry, just pedal the machine. When you pedal the machine, hold the wheel, it will stop. So after the stop absolutely, then you come back to this switch. Then put it to this direction. So it's possible that it's your children or one of your staff that tampered with it, not knowing that they are doing something wrong. When you put the direction back to here, first you stop it from rolling. The motor is not rolling at all. If the motor is still rolling and you adjust this and you run it back, it will be of no effect in it. Seriously, it will be of no effect. That's why they will keep telling you that do it this way, and it's not changing. Because I'm taking my time to explain this to you. Put it to the direction, you switch it on back, and let's see how it will work now. You can see now we are walking in our normal direction. Can you see it? So that's the solution to it. Make sure you subscribe to this page. When you subscribe to this page, you have the privilege of seeing some updates on how you can use your industrial machine, both domestic, the black one, the white weaving machine, taping machine, regardless of the brands. And those ones will be only available for those that subscribe to the page, because it will not be a general advert that the way you are just streaming this for the first time. So please make sure you subscribe. Thank you very much.